It's delicious.
Do you want the Grimace shake?
Yes, it's so nutritious.
If I drink it, will it be a big mistake?
Why would you ever think that?
They say it could put your life at stake, and once you drink it, you can't go back.
Happy birthday, Grimace. What is on your Amazon wish list?
You've given me everything and more, and you're the new friend we're looking for.
Happy birthday, Grimace, Grimace.
Let me just say, you're my favorite purple guy. You're the friend that I wish I could multiply.
Who cares about Ronald and the other guys? You make me so happy that I could just
To the
die.
type to leave no child behind. Anyone, you just want to 99.
Happy birthday, Grimace. Your shake is so delicious. Please, I gotta live because the baby's getting vicious.
Happy birthday, Grimace. What is on your Amazon wish list?